Thank you for joining me. My name is LaSheena Williams, and I am a Maryland family law attorney. My firm helps our clients take control of out-of-control domestic situations. Today, we will be discussing common mistakes in child support modification hearings. Child support is child support, and it's very important to track any informal child support payments you make. If you're sending money for support through Zelle or Venmo or a Cash App to support your children, or if you're making purchases at your partner's request on Amazon or some other delivery type service, it's important to keep track of the expenses you're paying for your child. If you have childcare, it is very important to track that expense. Whether you're paying someone informally to care for your children or you're paying a childcare provider, you want to make sure you have a record of what you're paying for childcare. If you have an appropriate record, you can use your prior childcare expenses at your child support modification hearing to show how much support your spouse owed you for that time. A lot of people who are filing to establish or modify child support feel as though they can't afford child care. The problem is, if you're not incurring an actual child care expense and you don't know what that child care expense will be at the time of your modification or establishment hearing, the court is unlikely to consider that expense, which will mean even though you need child care, you may not have enough support to actually cover the child care you need for your children after your child support hearing. When establishing child support, a lot of partners lie about their employment. They may lie about what they make or the frequency of their payments, and it's important to subpoena the employment records. The employer has absolutely no reason to not be honest and transparent about what their employee makes, and you are more likely to get a more thorough explanation about your partner's current salary, any overtime, any benefits, various other things that could drastically increase your child support award. In the Maryland Child Support Guidelines, the court takes into consideration the number of overnights your child has with your partner. The number of overnights can drastically increase or decrease your child support. And if that's the case, you need to make sure you understand how many overnights you have with your children, as well as the impact of those overnights on your overall child support award. If you have any questions about mistakes in child support establishment or modification hearings or other issues related to domestic related matters in Maryland, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please also feel free to give me a call at 301-778-9950 to speak with an attorney today.